The trail mix is usually a combination of nuts and dried fruits, and maybe some cereals or granola. You can find all kinds of unusual varieties in any grocery store, or you can make your own mix of healthy snacks. Trail mix is one of those snacks that you can keep in the drawer for even longer than a few days, so it's hardly because you don't have to make sure your groceries are always in the fridge. The trail mix can be high in calories, see labels, so if weight control is an issue, I suggest splitting your snack into smaller portions so it doesn't tempt you to eat more than you anticipate for the day. Nuts are full of a variety of nutrients and a top source of many vitamins and minerals, and both beneficial to health. Due to its exponential value, dried fruits should be consumed at any time of the year, especially in winter. Nutritionists claim that dried fruits are full of all nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. By eating dried fruit regularly, you will prevent the consumption of unhealthy foods and at the same time you will strengthen your health. Judging by what was in it, the older people were obviously wise when they said that there should always be a bowl of dried fruit or nuts on your table.